In this video we will see what are comments and how you can use comments in Python. So let's say this is the file tutorial.py and here we are writing some code, let's say the print statements only. So I have written one print statement. Let's say this is the first print statement and then I write another print statement here. This is the second print statement. So these two print statements are the part of the code and that will be executed by the compiler. But what if I just want to write something in the code and I do not want the compiler to take care of it or to execute it? So those things are called as comments. Comments are just for the programmers or the developers, the people who are reading the code. Okay, so they are just for the convenience of the people who are reading the code. For example, here to write a comment in Python, we can use this hash symbol. Okay, and then I can write this is the first print statement comment. Okay, and then I can write here this is the second print statement comment, and then let's run the program. You can see what it executes is written between the print statements, but these two lines are not executed or anywhere printed, right? So these are known as comments. So comments are not executed by the compiler, but it is just for the reference of the programmer, the developer, to understand the code better. Let's say there is a code of 1000 or more lines, and then in that case the comments will be quite useful for the developer to understand. Or let's say you have written some code and you want some other person to understand the code, in that case also the comments are useful. And sometimes comments are also useful for testing purposes. Let's say you do not want to execute a particular part of the code. Let's say I do not want to execute the first print statement. I can simply print I can simply put the hash symbol in front of it and I can make it a comment so that compiler ignores it and just run the desired part of the code. So comments have its different purposes. I hope you understand all of the purposes. And comments are also of different types. There are two types of comments in any programming language. One is single line comment and then is multiple line comments. So these comments are single line comments, as I have to put this symbol hash in front of each and every line to make it a comment, right? So you can see I run it and nothing executes because everything is a comment in this one. But what if I just do not want to put this hash symbol in front of each line, rather I just want to multiple lines to be commented? In that case I can use another notation that is available in Python, and that is triple quotes notation. So I just want to comment the first 3 lines. So what I do is I can use this triple quotes 1, 2, 3, and then again wherever I want to end the comment, then again triple quotes. So you can see these 3 lines of code are now commented and is known as multi-line comment. Only the last line of code will execute. I'll show you by executing. You can see only the second print statement, that is this one, executes. So this is a multi-line comment. You can again use triple double quotes or triple single quotes, whatever you want. So this is just a notation of multi-line comment. And I hope you got the idea of single line and multi-line comments in Python.